In this video, I'll show you how to make around $3 every 30 seconds using Google Docs, step by step. There are two main parts to this tutorial. First, I'll share the top 3 platforms where you can earn money by using Google Docs. Then, in step 2, I'll demonstrate the simplest method to receive your first payment today. So, grab your computer or smartphone, and let's begin. Now, let's open Google Docs. You can do this by visiting docs.google.com or simply searching for Google Docs and clicking on the first result. Here, I have a sample document to demonstrate a special tool that can help you make money effortlessly. Notice the red lines under misspelled words in the document. Google Docs has a handy grammar and spell checker tool. Just click on Tools and then select Spelling and Grammar Check. It will suggest corrections for each misspelled word. Click Accept to correct them. You can repeat this process for each error until they're all fixed easily. Now I'll show you how to use this free proofreading tool to make money from home every day. I'll introduce you to 3 websites where you can utilize this tool for free and quickly. The initial website we'll explore for online proofreading opportunities is proofreadingservices.com, which stands out as a top choice. With an impressive base of over 25,000 clients, including collaborations with major corporations, it's a reputable platform. They maintain a constant demand for proofreaders, offering flexibility in terms of location and working hours. Whether you're seeking part-time or full-time employment, this platform accommodates various schedules. Earnings range from $19 to $46 per hour, depending on your efficiency, making faster work more lucrative. This is where utilizing Google Docs becomes invaluable. By leveraging its features, you can expedite tasks and maximize your earning potential, aiming for the higher end of the pay scale. To begin the application process, navigate to the bottom of the website and select Careers, leading you to the section dedicated to online proofreading jobs. Here, you'll find the opportunity to work remotely from any corner of the globe. Once you click on Apply to be an online proofreader, you'll be directed to a proofreading quiz. This assessment must be completed within 20 minutes. The quiz consists of multiple-choice questions, such as identifying elements on the periodic table. If you encounter unfamiliar questions, don't fret. Simply copy the question, paste it into ChatGPT, and utilize its capabilities to find the correct answer. This resource is both convenient and free to use, ensuring you can confidently tackle each question and successfully complete the quiz. After completing the quiz, you'll be prompted to craft a brief writing sample, typically consisting of 3 to 4 sentences. This sample serves as a demonstration of your proofreading and writing abilities. Additionally, you'll have the option to showcase any additional skills you possess, such as proficiency in specific software or languages. If none of the listed skills apply to you, you can select none of the above. It's important to provide accurate personal information, including your email address, to ensure smooth communication with the platform. Finally, don't forget to check the box agreeing to the terms of service before submitting your application. Once submitted, you'll receive an email containing your first task, marking the beginning of your journey as an online proofreader. Transitioning to the next website, let's explore flexjobs.com, renowned as the premier destination for discovering remote employment opportunities. With a vast array of positions available worldwide and across the United States, FlexJobs boasts an impressive database of over 40,000 online jobs sourced from more than 5,000 reputable companies. To streamline your search for proofreading positions, simply input the keyword proofreader and initiate the search process. Upon conducting a search, you'll encounter a multitude of listings catering to various preferences and requirements. For instance, some opportunities offer temporary or part-time roles with hourly rates ranging from $18 to $20, while others present full-time positions with annual salaries ranging from $60,000 to $75,000. It's crucial to carefully review each listing to determine eligibility criteria, including geographical preferences specified by employers. To embark on your journey with FlexJobs, begin by creating a free account. The registration process is straightforward. Simply provide your first and last name, email address, and password. When prompted to indicate how you discovered FlexJobs, you can specify a referral source such as YouTube. Once you've completed the necessary fields, Confirm your agreement to the terms and conditions by checking the designated box and proceed to sign up. This process sets the stage for accessing a myriad of remote job opportunities tailored to your preferences and qualifications. Now, let's talk about the last website, hiresign.com. It's a great option because it pays really well, $50 for each page you proofread. Plus, it's easy to use and offers flexible hours, which means you can work whenever it suits you. All you need to do is visit their website and click on Apply Now to start looking for jobs. So, those are the top 3 proofreading websites we've talked about, but there's one more place you should know about, Fiverr.com. On Fiverr, you can set up your own gig, which is like a little advertisement for your proofreading services. Lots of people visit Fiverr every day looking for help, so you could get clients regularly. Some people charge a lot, like $100 or even $200 for proofreading, while others start at just $5. You can start low and then increase your prices as you gain more experience and positive feedback from clients. It's a good idea to use tools like Google Docs to help you proofread efficiently. With Google's easy-to-use setup, anyone can give it a shot. No fancy skills required. Whether you're saving up for something special or just need some extra spending money, this could be a fun and simple way to make it happen. So why not give it a try and see what you can earn using Google Docs? So with these options, you have a great opportunity to earn some extra money. With a bit of consistency and patience, you could make a few $100s or even a few thousand over time. And that's concluding today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. For watching and see you at the next one.